She is at it again this morning. She'd been at it last night, but she likes to play with this just empty multivitamin jar. She's obsessed with it. Look this. I'm gonna get it. Don't want to push it too hard. She's just a little thing. Come here. Come here. Come here. She does what she wants, but she tends to run away a lot. But then again, she's fun to interact with. Aren't you? Oh, you want some more? You want some more? But she interacts with that pretty much all day. She's pretty fun. I find her very entertaining. I hope you guys do too, a little bit. Her name is Purity, for those wondering. In any case, you have a good day, and stay safe out there, guys.